Okay, if you need help reading each of the word problems, go ahead and listen to me read each question, pause, solve the problem, and then resume the video. A library bookshelf has 7 shelves. 9 books can fit on each shelf. How many books can the bookshelf hold? Probably going to multiply for this problem. Notebooks cost $2. A pack of glue sticks cost $5. How much do 6 notebooks and 4 packs of glue sticks cost? Two-step problem. You're going to use two different properties, multiplication and addition. Penelope organized her buttons into the array below, which shows a way to break Penelope's array into 2 smaller arrays. Think about what I taught you when we are using a factor of 4 to multiply. Mr. Gupta wrote 4 statements on the board. Which of Mr. Gupta's statements is not true? Mrs. Shimoda said, I'm thinking of a number. It is a multiple of 9. Which of the following numbers could Mrs. Shimoda's number be? Kevin has 3 rows in his garden. He digs 5 holes in each row. He plants 2 seeds in each hole. How many seeds does Kevin plant? 2-part problem again. Luke has 2 toys. Stella has twice as many toys as Luke. Willa has 3 times as many toys as Stella. How many toys does Willa have? Carlos has 5 stickers. Jace has 8 times as many stickers. Use the strip diagram. Which number sentence can you use to find out how many stickers Jace has? It takes Caroline 4 minutes to walk to school. She goes to school 5 days each week. How many minutes does Caroline spend walking to school in a week? Charlie has 3 bowls. Each bowl has 9 blueberries. How many blueberries does Charlie have? If you can't solve the equation, this would be a great one to draw a picture of. Lucy babysat 1 child for 4 hours. The next day, she babysat 2 children for 3 hours. How much money did Lucy earn babysitting? Andre bought 3 packs of water. Each pack has 10 bottles. How many bottles of water did Andre buy? Courtney is using 10 rows of tiles to cover her floor. She uses 10 tiles in each row. How many tiles does Courtney use? Carol arranged magnets on a refrigerator into the array shown below. Which number sentence shows how Carol's array can be broken into smaller parts? The distributive property is going to come in handy for that one. Owen's family owns 3 dogs. They own twice as many rabbits as dogs. How many dogs and rabbits do they own? Sarah says the product of 5 and 9 is 36. Is her answer reasonable? Choose the best explanation. Karen has 9 red beads. She has 5 times as many green beads as red beads. Which number sentence can you use to find how many green beads Karen has? Use the strip diagram to help. Anne wrote a number sentence, 72 times 0 equals 0. Which property of multiplication is shown by Anne's number sentence? Jeff said, I'm thinking of a number that is a multiple of both 2 and 5. Which could be Jeff's number? Here's a review question. Gail has 7 dimes in her pocket. How much money does Gail have? Lisa gave 8 friendship pins to each of 8 friends. How many pins did Lisa give out? Mark your answer in the grid below. Mr. Boshuro wrote 4 number sentences on the board. Which number sentence shows the associative grouping property of multiplication? Jill wrote the equation below. Fill in the blank to make the equation true. And finally, Jan has 5 times as many headbands this year as she did last year. Last year, Jan had 4 headbands. How many headbands does Jan have this year? Mark your answer below. It says grid, but just select the correct answer. Take your time, check your work. Good luck.